I'm fucking thirsty. What in the booty?
Don't send in the chat. Don't send in the chat.
I'm not sending it in the chat. This is going in the VOD. We got to get a new badge.
Well, we were already getting this all fixed up anyways. So
Yeah, we're gonna get that fixed up. We got a little scratch right here, a little crack in the frame. But honest to God, it ain't even that bad. Like, you want to talk about clapped? That's clapped. This is fine. Like, from back here, you don't even notice. We got it. We got it. The Type R will be good. The Type R will be chilling.
I wish one of us had a thing to buff it.
I wish that you had a dash cam to record it. We're trying to decide, right? Because we need to redo these nasty ass brakes. Like, everybody knows these brake calipers. They look like shit. They have the fucking spot right there. They need to be, shit needs to be done about that. That's horrible.
Some boof.
Some boof. So, I want to do purple. Like metallic purple. Like something shiny but dark. Not like light purple, not like almost pink or anything like that. Dark purple. Joey suggests we go lime green, kind of like the STIs. That could be kind of sick. We do the bars in the front, we do the brakes as the lime green, or we do purple or red. Red would be kind of dope, but I feel like red's overplayed, yellow's overplayed. I don't know.
I think lime green's the way.
I think lime green would be
Type R is already called red for us, I think.
Okay, that's facts. That's facts.
And then I went yellow with the G37, the last car I had. Yeah. So I think it's time for lime green.
I think we should definitely go either purple or lime green. Maybe I'll like try and find some renders or something with it.
Stay tuned. We'll let you know. The manifold is liquid cooled to help keep the heat in check.
Damn, the liquid cooling that's what my car has. This cooling system is so much more advanced than like the N55. Like the N55, it sucked because you had to get a intercooler for it. And this one, all the like people who run like stage 1, stage 2, they're like, no, you don't need an intercooler. And even on the forums, it's like the main BMW pages will tell you, be like, no, you don't really need one until you're getting really high up.
All right,
that's why
show the boys what
B58 King. The oil cooler. Or wait, no, what the fuck is this?
What?
I'm tripping. Oh, that's right, we were talking about.
I already opened it up. But... Dude, check the build quality of this thing. I put it back in here for the
VOD.
For the VOD, yeah. Mishimoto?
Oh,
Push the limits.
Oh, you got the Mishimoto one, huh?
Oh yeah, I'm getting their intake too.
I didn't even think about that.
Their intake's carb legal.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's like the only one.
And then the oil just goes in there.
There's a cork, so it filters through this.
Oh wow. Apparently these catch cans, is what he's telling me, that the catch cans go crazy. So I think that maybe I should get one for my car as well down the line. I haven't gotten any mods. This fool's already got like a tow hook, already got the catch can. I'm lacking right now.
The boys plug us up.
Oh, wait, is that stickers? Is that stickers?
No, it's an air freshener.
Oh, I was just about to put my air freshener in. Hang on, let me pause the VOD. Oh yeah, you got the tow hook too. Let's see this.
No, not the tow hook.
This isn't a tow hook?
What holds up the can.
Oh, I thought this was a tow hook. When you sent it to me, I was like, you got a tow hook for it?
No, I'm not gonna get a tow hook.
Then you're chilling. This is the best air freshener. I don't think anybody realizes. Black cherry clove. This is the stuff. This is the stuff right here. We're gonna put a new one in.
6.5 hours later.
All right, so you get that bracket installed there with the, what do we call this before? With the bracket behind it. And we put this hose back, like you take out this hose from this little clip right here, just like popping it out and doing that thing on that thing. And so yeah, we got that all set up. We're about to put in catch can and the hoses and everything like that, and we're making progress. Yeah. We're skipping forward. So the kit comes with 2 hoses in it, and so the one hose will route right there onto the first nodule that you take off, and then you have a second, or you have the top of the hose. So you start with 1 and you end with 2, since you're going to the catch can here. So where it comes off down there, you take that one off, and then you route it with the nose, the short nose up at the top. Then you get your little Squidward nose thing around there. Go to the catch can, screw it into your bracket with your screws, and that's it. That's your catch can installed, literally. And now we're just put the cover back on, and then we're gonna go get food. Yeah, maybe go to Harbor Freight.
I
don't know if it does. I don't think it does. The lights go crazy. Does this pick up? Yeah, there, that one picks it up. So look, it looks crazy on the reflection of the canyon and stuff like that with these lights. And the Type R going for a quick rip. We got the G meter going. I've never seen another car coming up this way. I always see them going down.
Fucking turn off my iPhone.
I thought you turned them off.
No, I didn't.
Oh my gosh.
That's the thing. I got hella shit in the back of my car.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The daily and the Type R. Ammo box back there. Oh my gosh.
The Alcantara seats, bro.
No! Oh my gosh. Say lights off. Oh my god, turn the lights off. Carry me on. You're good whenever. Hey, it worked this time. Oh, it's so good. Alright, we need some wise words of advice for the vlog here before we're peacing out. You're going far away for like 2 years. What do you have to say to the people out there?
I say be kind to everyone. Love your family. Love yourself. Love those.
What a loser. What kind of crap advice
Hey,
is this?
Hey, time this up, okay?
Sorry, my bad. My bad, sorry.
But with that in mind, I think that's it.
So horrible. Alright, goodbye. Have fun in Africa.
Oh my gosh.
We're currently editing this at 9 o'clock at night. Stay tuned for some clips from next week's vlog. Goodbye, Brody. Stay safe. Don't contract any diseases. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Lately I've been feeling brainwashed, like my sword rubbing against the grain, lost in the same sauce. I would complain, but the wearing diamond chains cost more than I care to explain. Yeah. Lately I've been feeling out of character. Bitch left cause I'm embarrassed her. But every day I be like 1,000 fucking miles away, blowing dope out of myself. I'm the boss of the gray. Hey. Board in the plane, what the fuck is a holiday? Dreaming through the day, what word you say your mama steady? Reading the text, screenshots and mentions, wish still had way message. I'm stressed, live a life in the day, this a day in the life. I'm still the fucking same, covered in spots, not stripes. For broken fucking pay, this the grade 5-9. Super south the life, rep until I fucking die.